I built a city, and there's a big towers. There is a taxi, and there's cops, and then there's cars. I was making a castle. So I'm gonna make my own house out of gold and silver. I'm gonna make two houses actually. Now I have the gold right here. Now I'm gonna make my house down here.
So is that like kind of your idea of like a neighborhood?
Yeah.
Right now, we're building a nuclear power plant. Here's like gates to keep people out, and that's supposed to be like barbed wire. Here's our roads. We have an ice cream shop right here. On this part, we're building like all of our jobs, I guess. And on this part, we're building like the neighborhood part, like of ice cream shops and houses. And there's the school.